My name is Ray Edwards, and I have known Dawn Upwan for a couple of years now, and I can tell you she's somebody who has deep integrity. She does what she says she's going to do when she says it's going to be done. Second thing to know about her is she's a very gifted and skilled copywriter. I say gifted and skilled because there's quite a few people who are kind of gifted. They're creative. They have a knack for it. Not that many of those people become skilled. And what I've seen Dawn do is take the time to methodically build her skill set so that she understands not only the art of copywriting, but the science of conversion. And number three, and to me, this is the most important part as a marketer and somebody who works with lots of other marketers, that is Dawn geeks out over the funnel process, the conversion process, the numbers. To her, it's like a video game, it seems to me. She just wants to play to win. She wants to beat her last high score. And that is the kind of copywriter and marketing consultant you want working for you, or so I would believe. I think there's one other thing to know about Dawn. She's only going to be this affordable for a very short period of time. So I would hire her right away if I were you.